The lower wheel is the one that drives your bandsaw's blade. It is made of cast aluminum and is machined to attach it to the drive shaft and to accept a tire. The wheel is factory balanced, so it will operate smoothly. The wheel is mostly trouble-free. It can be damaged if the bolt that holds it to the drive shaft becomes loose. This can allow play, leading to wear. Because it is cast metal, it can be warped, sometimes right from the factory. If you have struggled to keep the blade tracking correctly on your saw, you could have a warped wheel. Replacing the lower wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the bandsaw. First, I'll pull the table alignment pin, then the table insert. I'll loosen the tension on the blade. And now I can pull the blade away from the tires. The lower wheel is secured by this bolt, and it is a reverse thread. I'll go ahead and remove it by turning it clockwise. With the bolt removed, now I can pull the wheel away from the shaft. With the lower wheel removed, we'll take a look at the tire. The tire will need to be transferred over to the new wheel. If the tire is hardened, cracked, or otherwise damaged, you'll want to go ahead and just replace it. If it's in good shape like this one, we can remove it. I'll use a couple of screwdrivers to do that. And now I can transfer this over to the new wheel. I'll work the tire onto the groove around the wheel. And then I'll use a couple of screwdrivers again to pull it onto the wheel. Just make sure that the tire is tucked down into the groove all the way around the wheel. Now I can install the new lower wheel. I'll align the key on the shaft with the keyway in the wheel. The side of the wheel with the recessed hub should be out. I'll secure it with the bolt, which again is reverse thread, and tighten it with a wrench. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade. That's all it takes to install a new lower wheel on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.